Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Shure MV7 USB microphone to your computer. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start using this microphone for OBS, for Zoom, for games. So here's how you go ahead and connect it. So first things first, you're going to need the wire, which is a micro USB cable to USB. So this is what it looks like. So the USB portion is going to go into your computer, and then the micro USB portion is going to go into the back of the mic. Now, once you insert it inside to the back of the mic, you're going to see this light on, like a green, and then you want to make sure that the mic is pointed at you and you're about 7 to 12 inches away from speaking. Now, the next thing you want to do is that you want to go onto OBS, and then where it says mic/aux, you want to click on these three dots, then click on properties, and you want to find Shure MV7. Okay, so you want to make sure that this is the device that's selected for your audio output, then click on OK. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Shure MV7 USB mic to your computer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.